Hello everyone, this is Sir Abdul Rahman. In this video, I'm going to explain how to recognize a prime number. And the very important question, which is if teacher asks with the student, is one a prime number? So most of the students confuse either one is a prime number or not. In this video, I'm going to explain how to memorize one a prime number or not. So this is our definition one. If students memorize this definition, they will always confuse either one is a prime number or not. Which is prime numbers are those numbers which can be divided by one or itself. This definition is correct, but I recommend don't memorize this definition, because if you memorize this definition, you will always be confused one is a prime number or not. So never memorize this definition. So the definition number two is prime number is a number or integer which have two different factors only, one and itself. So there is a term factors. I have uploaded a video in which you can find how to find factor of a number. So please see the playlist. So again, I'm going to repeat, prime number is a number which have two different factors, only one and itself. You have to memorize this definition. If you memorize this definition, you will never be confused. Either one is a prime number or not. So there is a two keyword, two different factors only, and which is one and itself. So the question was, is one a prime number? So first you have to find the factor of one. Factor of one is only one. Therefore, think one is a prime number or not. Recall the definition, the correct definition. The definition of prime number is a number which have only two different factors. But in this case, one is only one factor, which is one. So we can say one is not a prime number because it has only one factor, which is one. So one is not a prime number. Now I'm going to check. So there are numbers. I'm going to take numbers 1 till 10 and check one by one. So first is one. Since factors of one is one, so we can say one is not a prime number. Now, two. Since factors of two is one and two, we can say 2 is a prime number because it has two different factors, 1 and the itself 2. Third one is 3. So recall find out the factors of 3. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. So there are two different factors, one and itself only. So we can say 3 is a prime number. Now, the example number, now we are going to take 4. Find out the factors of 4, and again I say please watch video of how to find the factors. See the playlist. So factors of 4 is 1, 2, and 4. So there are three different factors. So we can say 4 is not a prime number. Then we need to take 5, integer 5 or number 5. Find the factors of 5. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. So we can say there are two different factors, 1 and 5. So we can say it is a 5 is a prime number. Next example, next number is 6. Okay. There is a 6 here. Find out the factor of 6, which are 1, 2, 3, and 6. There are 4 different factors. And by definition, prime numbers are those numbers which have 2 different factors, only one and itself. So we can say 6 is not a prime number. Now take the integer 7. Find the factor of 7. So the factors of 7 are 1 and itself only, 1 and 7 only. There are 2 different factors, 1 and itself only. So we can say 7 is a prime number. Next example, next number is 8. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and itself 8. So there are more than 2 different factors here. So we can say 8 is not a prime number. Now the next is 9. 9, find out factors of 9 which are 1, 3, and 9. So we can say it is not a 9 is not a prime number because it has more than 2 different factors, and the correct definition of prime number is number which have 2 different factors only. 9 has 3 different factors, so we can say 9 is not a prime number. Thank you very much. I hope you got the idea how to recognize one is a prime number or not, and how to recognize numbers are prime or not. So don't forget to subscribe this video, share this video with your friends, and like, and thank you very much.